हेलो। यू शो द पीपीटी। तुम आप लोग पीपीटी में क्या भी शो किया था? तुम लोग शो किया पीपीटी द सर टेस्ट। तो कॉन्क्रीट टेस्ट का तुम लोगों ने पीपीटी में शो किया था ओनली कॉम्पैक्शन फैक्टर टेस्ट सीएफ। यू मेंशन योर पीपीटी योर स्लाइड्स। ओके, द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट परफॉर्म थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट परफॉर्म द ड्यूरिंग okay during the field test. The first is the workability. For first test is the slump cone. Okay, okay. Then second one is the क्या होगा? This is the compaction factor CF. And third one is the VB test. ठीक है, VB टेस्ट। VB टेस्ट हम लोग कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं? तीनों टेस्ट का हम लोग देखेंगे हाउ टू परफॉर्म द थ्री टेस्ट ऑफ फॉर द compaction sorry workability. Okay, then you are mentioned in the PPTs one doubts your not you reply the M20 and 30. So it's the grade of concrete M20 and it is the M25. Okay, you mentioned your PPT. So what is the ratio of the M20? क्या होगा तुम्हारा रेशियो? 1.1 रेशियो 1.5 is to 3. ठीक है, नाउ देन M25 112. So how so the indicate M indicate the mixture. ठीक है, and then 20 is the compressive strength of code after 28 days. ठीक है, okay, then now M25 is same. M is the mixture, 25 is the compressive strength of concrete. Then now start a slump cone test. तो स्लम कोन टेस्ट फाइंड द एक्चुअली जो स्लम कोन हम लोग करते हैं वो तुम्हारा ऑन द फील्ड भी कर सकते हैं। एक्चुअली मूवेबल कौन रहता है? कॉम्पैक्शन फैक्टर नॉट मूवेबल। कॉम्पैक्शन फैक्टर हम बीबी टेस्ट इन द परफॉर्म इन द बैचिंग प्लांट, बट स्लम कोन टेस्ट परफॉर्म द ऑन द फील्ड फॉर द टेस्ट ऑफ वर्केबिलिटी। बट थ्री टेस्ट फॉर फाइंड द वर्केबिलिटी, बस कॉम्पैक्शन फैक्टर एंड बीबी टेस्ट इन द फाइंड रिजल्ट इन द बैचिंग प्लांट. This not is this equipment are not movable. Okay, तो दिस इज स्लम कोन। स्लम कोन में क्या होता है? स्लम कोन किस टाइप का दिखता है? तुम देखे हो? So this is cone and this type of cone. This is the base. Okay, this is the dimension पता है? This is upper diameter is the height of cone. This is the 100 mm. Upper diameter is 100 mm. Bottom 200. Okay. And the height of cone is the 300 mm. ठीक है, ये तुम्हारा डायमेंशन ऑफ द स्लम कोन. दिस इज द वन इज देन दैट फॉर द compaction fill the cone in the three parts, first, second and third part. But is one equipment is missing. One equipment is the tamping rod for the use of for the compaction. तो tamping rod dimension क्या होगा? What is dimension of tamping rod? The diameter is the 16 mm dia. जो 60 mm dia रहता है, this is the mm. Okay, and the length of the tamping rod is 600 mm. Okay, then now to perform the this type of the test, so how to perform? Okay, then now start a slump cone test. The principle of the slump cone test, the slump test result is a slump of a behavior of a compacted inverted cone of the concrete under the action of gravity. ठीक है, this is the slump test result. And then now it measures the consistency of the wetness of concrete. This is the measure the consistency or the wetness of concrete. Which is the measure consistency is the workability. Okay, find the workability means the your concrete the how much workable for the this time. Okay, then now the apparatus required is the metal mold. We just discussed ki hum log which type of metal mold. This is the metal mold is the this type. Okay, this is the Schlumcone metal mold. Okay, then the bullet nose metal load, the scale. The scale जो तुमको बोलते हैं जो scale किसका? This is a tamping rod. That is given in the scale. ठीक है, this tamping rod is a 16 mm dia, 16 mm diameter of the tamping rod, and the length of the tamping rod is 600 mm. Okay, this is the scale. This is the help of the tamping rod is compact the concrete in the slump cone. Okay, this is the slump cone equipment. Then now this is a procedure how to perform the slump test. How to perform the slump test? This is the procedure. First procedure, second procedure. देखो, this is the tamping rod. Feel the this is the cone, slump cone. Upper diameter is 100 mm. Height of slump is 300 mm. Bottom diameter is the 200 mm. Okay, so this is it is the concrete fill in the three part. First part, the second part. In this first figure, fill the first part. Okay, then tamping the 25 times in a round side. Why? The procedure first figure show the fill the first actually this slump cone fill the three parts. Every part is then the tamping for 25 times. Means so in the figure first fill the first part concrete in the slump cone, then tamping 25 times for the compaction, and then the use of the tamping rod. Then second image is showing the fill the second part. Okay, then tamping the 25 times tamping. Okay, then fully compacted at 25 times tamping around side of the second layer. Then now third layer is the third image the fill the full third layer is the third layer fill the third part of the slump cone. Then now tamping the 25 times tamping. Okay, then after the in the fourth image, after the fill the concrete and 25 tamping, then after you trim the upper part of the slump cone. Why? Because this the upper extra concrete is removed from the upper layer, then show in the figure 4. Okay, then now in the fifth image, what is the show in the fifth image? They will move the slump cone and pull the upper side. In fifth image show the remove the slump cone, from move the slump, slowly move and then pull the upward direction. Then this type of image is showing the sixth image. The slump after the remove the slump cone, then concrete will collapse from this shape. Then you measure the top of the scale kept in the top of the concrete. Then you measure the how much you get the reading result. Suppose you are reading the 90 mm. Suppose your scale is the 90 mm. Then you the final result of the your slump is the 90 mm. Okay. This is the procedure of the slump cone test. देखिए all of हम लोग इमेज में क्या दिख रहा है? फर्स्ट इमेज शो You fill the first part, second image, fill the second part, then a tamping, then third image, full fill the full slump cone and then 25 time tapping from the top to first layer. Okay, then trim the top of the part, then slowly move the slump and pull the upward direction. Then finally get the result. The keep the top of the concrete scale and then get the result. Between top of the concrete and the slump height of the slump cone, then you get the result between the get the result slump cone. Then suppose example the 90 mm the your result. सपोज इसमें देखो इसमें क्या है कि जो ये हमारा हाइट ऑफ स्लम्प जब आप जो रिमूव किए फ्रॉम रिमूव द स्लम्प कोन देन यू गेट द रिजल्ट ऑफ द स्लम्प द कंक्रीट इज फॉल इन दिस डायरेक्शन ठीक है ओके दिस इज द टॉप ऑफ कंक्रीट दिस इज द टॉप ऑफ स्लम्प कोन मेजर द choose between distance is the your result this is slump suppose your slump is 90 or 100 mm distance of, from this to this distance the 100 mm your result is the slump cone concrete slump is the 100 mm okay this is the final result of the slump test your workability is the 100 mm ठीक है this is the procedure of slump cone test clear any doubt okay then now another test is the DV test and the compaction factor test तो हम लोग DV test कैसे परफॉर्म करेंगे DV test का इक्विपमेंट्स देखे हो types of slump there are three types of slumps collapse slump shear slump and true slump this is the types of slump देखो तीन the show in figure अगर this type का अगर fall होता है after the remove the slump cone and so concrete fall in this direction this is the collapse slump this is the this type of fall in the concrete this is shear slump and this is the true slump जो हम लोग का slump किस टाइप का slump था this slump is the true slump okay this is the workability of concrete slump cone test हम लोग ये परफॉर्म तुम्हारा जो पीपीटी में तुम जो किए हो उसमें तुम्हारा तीन टाइप का टेस्ट में तुम लोग मेंशन किए स्लम्प एंड कॉम्पैक्शन फैक्टर डोंट एनी अबाउट दिस द फर्स्ट slump cone test we perform slump cone then now next class the perform the compaction factor and VV test okay any doubt तो कोई डाउट है this is the slump cone for procedure slump cone this is very easy actually this test is performed on the field suppose your concrete mixer concrete transport from the batching plant to the site so the batching plant is site between a distance between 10 kilometer so your concrete is workable or not you test from the this equipment from the slump test अगर बैचिंग प्लांट में तुम्हारा कंक्रीट का जो स्लम्प है वो तुम्हारा अगर 110 है उतना ही स्लम्प हमारा साइड पे भी होना चाहिए शुड बी ऑन द साइड ऑफ 120 mm slump so how to the test from the test to the from the equipment of help of equipment of slump test this is the field test okay